Have you ever seen a shooting star? Some are space rocks called asteroids. Let's blast off and explore these awesome space travelers zooming through the galaxy. Imagine a huge highway in space filled with space rocks instead of cars. That's the asteroid belt between Mars and Jupiter. Don't worry, they're spread out, so spaceships can zoom safely. Did you know some asteroids have their very own little moons? Sometimes, a tiny space rock gets pulled in by the asteroid's gravity or breaks off during a big crash, and starts orbiting, just like Earth's moon does. Asteroids are super old, over 4.5 billion years old. They've been zooming through space since before Earth even existed. Scientists study them like space treasure chests to learn about the early solar system. The biggest asteroid, Ceres, is so huge that scientists call it a dwarf planet. It's over 600 miles wide, much bigger than a city. And guess what? There might be a secret ocean hidden underneath. Asteroids are like space treasure chests. Some are filled with iron, nickel, gold, platinum, or even ice. In the future, space explorers might use these treasures to build stations and find water. Asteroids come in all shapes and sizes. Some are dark and rocky, others are shiny, and some even have ice. Scientists call them C-type, S-type, and M-type asteroids. Pretty cool, right? Imagine living on an asteroid. How cool would that be? Asteroids have metal, water, and super low gravity, which could help astronauts in the future. Maybe you can be one of the first asteroid explorers. How awesome! Hey Tiny Tickles Fact Master, how many of these fun facts can you remember? Asteroids are more than space rocks. They're treasures, time capsules, and space homes. Keep looking up at the stars, anything is possible. Thank you for watching. Do like and subscribe.